Welcome. In this video, I will quickly guide you through the camera application on Redmi 17. So, let's open the camera application. And first of all, let's check what we have at the top. So we have the Google Lens to scan QR codes, etc. We have our flash. We have three modes of flash. We have auto flash, we have flash enabled, and we have constant flash, which will be working while you're taking a photo. Then if we tap this down arrow icon, we'll be able to see the adjustments that are specific to this photo mode, or to this mode, where we have things like HDR, aspect ratio, timer, watermark, and settings. Now, in video, we basically have the same thing, but we also have the video resolution and the FPS count. Then in the Pro, we can change everything, so the megapixel count. We can also adjust things like shutter speed, ISO, white balance, and focus manually. Then in portrait, we can take portrait photos, of course. In night, we can take photos in dark environment. And in more modes, we have things like Ultra HD, which will let us take pictures or photos with highest resolution, documents for scanning documents, time-lapse video recording, dual video recording, and we can also rearrange them by tapping this pencil icon right here. Now, to access the settings of your camera, you have to tap this down arrow icon, then select settings. And here in the photo, you can change things like watermark, AI recommendations, picture quality, and the rest of the settings. In video, we have video specific settings, and in general, we have the settings that are simultaneously affecting your video recording and photo capturing. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.